Hello my dear students, today's video we are going to see a next code conversion which is binary to access3. Before going to start a binary to access3 code conversion, actually what exists in binary to access3 number, if any binary number we have to add zero zero one binary value or 3 as a decimal value in the LSB bit. This is the process to convert binary to access3 number, and today we are going to see our first point is 4-bit binary to 4-bit access3 code conversion. So let's start with this one with the digital inputs, and 4-bit binary numbers are, that is binary inputs and the access3 outputs. Okay, let's consider first by digital input is 0. Sorry for that, B4, B3, B2, B1, you can say E4, E3, E2, E1. These are the access3 outputs. So first 0, binary numbers are 0 0 0. access3, just we have to add 3 into this, so it will be 0 0 1 1. Next 1 0 0 0 1, we have to add 3, that is 1 plus 3 becomes 4, so 0 1 0 0. Then 2 0 0 1 0. Just in the 2 binary we have to add 3, that is 2 plus 3 becomes 5, 0 1 0 1. Next for 3 0 0 1 1. For 3 we have to add 3 once again, so it will be 6 0 1 1 0. For 4 0 1 1 0, we have to add 3 in this, so 4 plus 3 becomes 7, 0 1 1 1. Next for 5 0 1 0 1, we have to add 3, 5 plus 3 becomes 8, that is 1 0 0 0. Then 6, for 6 0 1 1 0, we have to add 3, 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 1 0 0 1. For 7 0 1 1 1. For 7 7 plus 3 becomes 10, so 1 0 1 0. For 8 1 0 0 0. 8 plus 3 becomes 11, 1 0 1 1. 9 1 0 0 1. For 9 it will be 12. Okay, and for 10 it will be 1 0 1 0. 10 plus 3 13, 1 1 0 1. And for 11 1 0 1 1, it will be 14, 1 1 1 0. And for 12 it will be 15. So if you observe carefully, after 12 13 14 and 15 are the don't care conditions, because we cannot predict the access3 values. So these are the don't care conditions in the binary to access3 conversions. So with the help of this conversion table, let's find out the minterms. For the minterms of E4 is equal to, consider only for the ones, which is the rule to find out the minterms, and the minterms are 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, plus don't care conditions are 13 14 15. Only this much part. For E3, the minterms are these 4 ones, and for these 4 ones. Okay, and the values are 1 2 3 4 as well as 9 10 11 12 plus don't care conditions, no change, 13 14 and 15. For E of 2, summation of em, it will be gives us this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, so write down the minterms for this: 0 2 0 3 4 6 7 7 8 7 8 11 12 plus don't care conditions are 13 14 and 15. Then E of 1 is equal to summation of em, those are, and for don't care condition, for E1 summation of em, the consider values are 0 2 4 then 6 8 10 and 12 plus don't care condition is 13 14 15. Okay, in this way we can able to find out the minterms, and with the help of minterms we can find out the we can draw the K-map. So to draw the K-map, just go through with first. The first required number is E4. So for E4 we need 4 variable K-maps. Those are B4, B3, B2, B1, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Okay, these are the decimal values of each and every cell. So concentrate on the first 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, these are the minterms. And what are the don't care conditions are 13 14 and 15. These are the don't care conditions, and 12 is also minterm. So first try to find out the chord, which is easily possible in these 2 rows. Okay, after chord octal, we can find out the chord between this as well as from this. Due to formation of chord as well as octal, we can get a very less amount of common term. So from this only these 2 rows are common, and from this bit is common, so it will be B4. From this chord, from these 2 rows B3 is a common, and from these 2 columns B1 is the common one, and from this chord this again B3 is the common term, and from this B2 is the common one. So for E4 is equal to B1 B3 plus B2 B3 plus B of 4. These are the Boolean expression of E4. Let's go with the E3. b4 b3 b2 b1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. These are all decimal values, and the terms are 1 2 3 4 9 10 11 12. These are the terms, and don't carry conditions are 13 14 and 15. So make a chord of these two with these two, which is also called as a folded chord. Okay, again chord is possible from these two pairs with these two pairs. Okay, and one pair is possible here. So brought out the common terms from this one, which are b3 is a common, and from this b2 bar b1 bar are common one. Okay, plus from this chord, for this we have to use this row as well as this row, and from this both row b3 complement is a common, as well as from these two, that is b1 is the common one. Next, from this again the same b3 complement is common, but here b2 is the common one. So this is the another expression of E of 3. Then E of 2, for E of 2 we need another 4 variable K map. Okay, and the minterms are 0 3 4 7 8 11 and 12, and don't care conditions are here. So here we can easily form the chord. And remaining all are empty cells, or you can represent with the 0, no problem. So E of 2, for this there is no common from this row, only common are two terms, that is b2 complement b1 complement. From this b2 and b1 are the common terms. So instead of this we can write as E of 2 is equal to b2 complement b1 complement plus b2 b1, which is the expression of exclusive NOR gate. So it will be b2 exclusive NOR with b of 1. Then last one, that is for E of 1. For E of 1 we are getting E of 1. Just consider the minterms are 0 1 0 2 4, then 6, then 8 10 12. These are the minterms which are present here, and for don't care conditions are okay. So we can easily form the octal between these two with the you can say a folded octal. For this we have to consider this row as well as this row. From this we can take B3 complement as a common one, and from this we can take B1 complement as a common term. After that we can start the grouping of this. After grouping we can find out the common terms, and the common terms from this are, from these two columns, B1 complement is a common term, so E1 is equal to B1 complement. No common term comes from this entire rows. After getting the first conversion table, with the help of conversion table we are able to find out the minterms, and with the help of minterms we draw the Boolean expressions, K-map, and then Boolean expressions. Then draw the logical diagram. So it will be step for logical implementation. For the logical implementation we have to know how many inputs. There are 4 inputs, that is B4, B3, B2 and B1. B4, B3, B2 and B1. Okay, for the first input B4 we need B1, B3, and in this what we have to do, we have to do ANDing of these two variables. So take AND gate, okay, and then for next B2 into B3, for this we need one more B2 and B3. Again we are going to make ANDing of this, okay, and then last we need B4. Okay, these are three terms we are going to ORing together, because positive sign or some sign is between that, so we have used OR gate. It will be used as E4. Then next for the E3, we are getting first B1 and B3 complement. This will give us first term. Then B1 complement, B2 complement and B3. These are the second term, and which is ANDed together. And then last one is I need B3 complement, B2 and B3 complement. So it will be ANDed together. And then these all terms are ORing with each other, so it will be used as E3. Then go with the E2. For E2 we need B2 and B1 XORing with each other, so B1 as well as B2 are going to XOR with each other, and it will be used as exclusion OR with each other, E of 2. The last one is B1 complement. It will be used as E1. In this way, with the help of all these steps, just generalized, which are not going to be changed in the code conversion. First, conversion table. With the help of conversion table, we can able to find out the minterms. With the help of minterms, we can draw K-map. With the help of K-map, we can find out the Boolean expressions. And then last one is, with the help of Boolean expression, we can draw logic diagrams. Thank you very much. Let's start a second section of this, a second part of this, that is access 3 to binary code conversion.